Hello and welcome to Miss Holly Teaches. Today we are continuing our work on syllables. Syllables are a way to separate words so that we can pronounce and spell them. Let's begin. Our first word is parrot. Let's clap out the word parrot. Parrot. Let's watch Winston the parrot. Parrot has two syllables. Parrot. Now let's spell the word parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Our next word is moose. Let's clap out the sounds that we hear in moose. Moose. Now let's look at the moose. Here is a moose. Let's say the word moose. Moose. Only one sound. That's right. Moose. One syllable. Let's spell the word moose. M-O-O-S-E. Moose. I don't think that moose knows that it's even snowing. He is a very tall moose with long legs and very long antlers. Goodbye, moose. Now let's look at the camel. Camel. Can we clap out the word camel? Camel. How many syllables did you hear? Camel. Did you hear two syllables? That's right. Camel. Let's spell camel. C-A-M-E-L. Our next animal is the kangaroo. Kangaroo. Let's clap that out. Kangaroo. How many sounds do you hear in the word kangaroo? Let's watch the video. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Do you hear three syllables? Yes, that's right. Let's spell the word kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. Thank you for listening to Syllables and Spelling with Miss Holly.